Good morning, family. Listen, here's how easy this is, and I'm going to walk right through it just so you can see exactly how this works, so you don't have to worry about calling me or any of the other consultants about how to get this started, because I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Okay. That page opens up. It's a video. Watch it. All right. Any questions, you can go there. Right? Once you click on that, you fill out that information. Now I'm going to do a fake one just so you see it. First name, email address, phone number right there, username, password. Okay. Confirm. All right. Create my free account. That's all you got to do. Bam. After you do that, it scrolls for a second or two. Then it goes here. Congratulations, your registration is complete. Get access now. You have successfully created your account. You may now log in. All right. See all of that? That's the next thing you see. Keep this video on another page and watch it while you do this. Click here to log in. Then you have that. Then you click in to log in. You put your information you put in. And you hit remember me. So you don't have to log in again. Got it? Got it. Good. Then hit log in. If you forget your password, they got all of that over there. That's my referral. Welcome, Sarah. If you will refer. Now, I've got RoboForm. That way, when you have RoboForm, it's free, folks. Download RoboForm on your computer or your cell phone, and then you don't have to put all that stuff in anymore. It just does it, and then you hit save, and then when you go back to RoboForm, it shows you where you were before, and you can click on it and go. I'm just making things a little easier for you. Okay, here I am. This is the new me, the original me, but that's the government me. All right, now that's the story for another day. Watch that video. Welcome to NewU Financial.
George Wilson here with NewU Financial.
George tells you exactly what to do.
Jeff Long, I want to welcome you.
He's one of the owners. All right. So what's next? If you want to be in the corporate partner program, you watch that. Then hit get started now. Or if you want to join the corporate partner program, you click here. When you click there, that comes up. Corporate partner program. Watch the opportunity. Submit your application. If you submit your application, you click there, $200 will return you $400. $1,000 will return $2,000, $10,000 will return $20,000 and up. We've got people who put $200,000 in, and in 120 days, they're going to get $400,000 back, and they'll receive 2 shares for every $200. All right? It populates the name and email. Put your company name if you need to, phone number, all this stuff, and put your loan amount from 200 to whatever. Like I said, we've got people who put $200,000. As soon as that $200,000 person sees this $400,000, people are going to be jumping in here with $2 million, because there's nowhere on earth that you can go unless you own some planes full of cocaine flying in and out of Bogota, where you can get 100% return on your investment in 120 days. Nowhere but here. All right? No matter what number. Doesn't matter. I'm going to put a number in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $2 million. Sign up. They'll send you the information, and you're good to go. Okay? If you want to watch the opportunity presentation, you watch it there. Then you submit your application. All right? Then you go back to the top again. Remember home. All right? All right. Now, you're at home again. If you want to be a broker, and everybody is automatically now a broker. Just so you know, as soon as you fill out your information, you're automatically a broker. So, you click on broker area. Congratulations, you've upgraded to a broker. Free of charge for the month of January. Click on it. If it still says congratulations, it's still free of charge for life. Update your broker ID. Do not give out your promotional links until your broker account is set up completely. Here's your referral link. So you put your broker ID, which is that number, in your dashboard. Client funding portal. If you want to get credit repair, client funding portal login. That's where you go when you want to do credit repair after you've already logged in. But until you do this part, credit repair and funding, is that what you want? Click here. Right there, credit repair and funding program. You have to do a free assessment. Step 1, create client account now. Without a client account, you're not in the system. Step 1, create client account. You fill all of that in. Fill it in. Let's start here. Full name, email, seraph@gmail, FICO score, what you think your score is. What you think your score is. Let's say it's a 500, or let's say it's a 800. Doesn't matter. But if you have a 800 credit score or a 720 or above, the system is going to find that number and they're going to reach out to you differently because you already have the credit score to get yourself all the money you need. So you don't have to go through the credit part. So whatever you put in there, make sure it's close to what it's supposed to be. So I'm going to say a 500. You put your username, your password, create it right there, but make sure it's the same as the other one. Don't make anything different. Make it the same so you don't have to think of stuff, okay? All right, retype password, and that's your sponsor ID. Whoever you join with, that's going to be automatically populated. If you know who that person is personally, you'll know when you get in the back office, you'll see their picture or their name. Okay? I'm drinking my coffee, so. Then you hit submit. All right? Now, check your email. Please check your email. All right? When you check your email, let's see what I got here. It says, welcome to NewU Financial. Welcome to NewU Financial. Account has been activated. You have made the right decision getting involved, and we're excited that you are here. The timing cannot be more perfect. This new concept is proving. This is a new concept, people, but the information and how it's done is 100 years old. It's proven to be life-changing for countless people all around the world, and the market is getting ready to explode. Succeeding with NewU Financial could not be any easier. Just log into your account, and we will walk you through the simple steps to get started now. Your login information is as follows. Username, password, log in, boom. Then all you gotta do is touch it right here. Bam. Use your login, username. You already saw the password. Log in. Bam. And then, guess what, folks? You see this. You're here. It's 4 things you have to do. Instructions. Watch the video.
Hey there, welcome to your back office. I want to show you
That's Bill, one of the owners.
What it's going to take to get your free credit
Tell you
assessment.
exactly
it's
what you need to do.
Simple. We don't need a lot of information on stage 1. So you'll see across the top here these little red
now they don't even
boxes that
have
turn
this
green
anymore,
as you
where they
get
got all that
the 4
stuff. They
necessary
don't even
pieces
do that
filled out.
anymore.
So
This is
the
an
first
old
one-
video, but it's all here now. Instructions. Click on that. Shows you the video, right? Application. Click on that. Fill that in. Most of it's already populated. You put your first name, middle name, last name. That's already there. All right. If that's wrong, fix it. All right. Got it? Cell phone, email, social. Put your social in. Your annual income. Your credit score that you believe it to be, and hit submit. All right. That's the application. That's it. Then documents. You click on that. Proof of income. If you're self-employed, you go here and drop files to upload. When you click there, a box will open up, and all you got to do at that point is get files that you've already uploaded or gotten from your bank. Last month bank statement, second last month bank statement, third month last bank statement, tax return most current, extra, credit report, drop files here to anything extra. If you work for somebody, if you're employed, drop your W-2, your first current pay stub, your second current pay stub, and your credit report. All right, drop files here to upload. If you don't have that, don't do it. Next, the agreement. Your JV agreement. This joint, and it populated. You see that? Is made and entered into this day, right here, by and between CredX LLC. That's the company that does the credit repair and the funding. They have the relationships with the banks. However, we're creating new relationships every day that can do it even faster than CredX. You put your first and last name. If you're an individual corporation, together with successors and assigns, put all of that in. Summary. The business of the joint venture shall be as follows. The joint venture company will be the parent company for a credit education program and financial intelligence group. Its purpose. Read all of that. Read it. But here's what all of this means. If you pick option A, 30% of all funded amounts is paid to general partner. Who is the general partner? All right. For participation and access for above benefits of partnership, and JV partner, you will continue to have access to future funding opportunities once JV partner has paid off previous debt. You don't want to use that one, and I'll tell you why. Because that puts all the money in your pocket and in your hand to do whatever you want, and we already seen what you do when you put money in your pocket. You go buy stuff, which is why you're here. Okay? Option B, partner keeps 20% of funding. Suggested use are as follows. Keep 15% of funding. Partner is you. You keep 20% of the funding up front. All right? Now, if you did the Pay It Forward program, the first thing is going to come out, because you're going to fill out a document that's not here yet, because you don't need it to be here yet. You're going to fill out a document that says that when that Pay It Forward partner has given you the money to get your credit coach for the duration of your business life, all right, that one-time payment, you don't have to pay. Not a nickel out of your pocket. I said it before and I mean it. And nobody else is going to ask you for one out of your pocket. All right. 15%, that first money that's going to come out is going to be $5,000, because the funding partner paid on your behalf in the Pay It Forward program $2,500. When you get your loan, not out of your pocket, but when you get your loan, you give that person $5,000. Is automatically going to come out. The document will come out. That's how you create 100% return on investment, folks. It's so simple. Now, after that, you keep 15% of the funding to make 6 months worth of payments. In other words, you keep 15% to service the loan. Whatever amount that loan is, you keep 15% of it to make sure you pay that monthly payment, which is just going to make your credit score higher. But are you paying it out of going to work money? No, you're paying it out of the loan. Here's a good one. Use the 5% at your discretion. That means put it in your pocket, folks. You just made money with your credit score for the first time. Congratulations. Next, balance is to go to general partner, us. Why? For distribution to independent and third-party partners, for generating profits to share with JV partner, being you, and to assist in paying off of JV partners' debts. That's all cash flow or profit opportunity. Pay off your debts. That's any debt you have, including the loan. All cash flow or profit opportunity requires appropriate disclosures. See pages 504, 506, and Regulation A. Sorry. The manner of distribution is at the sole discretion of general partner, that's us, whose use of funds includes but not limited to operations, marketing, hiring of experts, R&D, acquisitions, and any other expenses that may arise in the course of conducting business. Here's what all of that means. That means that the company is the fiduciary agent. Pick option B. Then there are 2 companies listed, blah, blah, blah. Read all of that. Read all of that. Read all of that. Read it, folks. It's pretty simple. Read all of that. But it's a contract. The biggest thing you need to understand is pick option B. All right? When they get done with all of that, you scroll all the way down. Okay? Read it all. Especially the part where you see numbers. Read it all. Read it all. Because the $2,500 is paying for your coach. Read it all. And when you get done reading it all, you put your name. You sign. Partner bank account, wire instructions. Put your bank name, routing, account name, bank address, bank phone number, and hit submit. Why do they need that? Because that's how they put money into your account. I have a training I'm going to be doing about, that's cool, but you're going to go back eventually and you're going to change all of that to another account. But it's going to be a corporate account. Because you don't want the government to see how much money you're going to be making. After you do that, folks, you're done. You're done. After that, you're done. But it started here. And after you're done, one of our assessors are going to go in, look over your documents, make sure they're in the form they're supposed to be in. Right? Then they're going to move you to assessment. Once your assessment is complete, then you're going to talk to me or one of my associates. I'm the director of broker services. Your broker is supposed to reach out to you in the first couple of days of you signing up. When they show you in their back office as a broker, if they're an active broker, they're supposed to reach out. Okay? Brokers. I'm going to show you also in another training, because we're going to do broker training. And when you need to join the broker training, you need to join the broker group so you can learn how to do all of this. Because there's a lot of money in being a broker. Believe me when I tell you there's a lot of money in being a broker. Now, you don't need to, because you're going to have $100,000 a year after your first year, one way or the other. But if you're a broker, you can count on 2 at least, because you'll make $100,000 just being a broker. So I hope this helped, because this is simple, folks, but you just got to get in there and do it. And if you can't figure out how to do it, get somebody, a young millennial or somebody, to help you figure out how to do this, because your financial future is riding on this. With that said, get started. Bam. Talk to you soon. Peace.